how to go from this to this.
Magic!
Using this. This is a Pinlock, which is a film that attaches to these pins inside of your helmet and makes it so that you can actually see when it's really cold and you don't have to breathe like an idiot. So first, you have to get your helmet clean. To install the Pinlock properly, you want to remove first your visor. This is an HJC C10 helmet, and I think this method works in every single HJC. Lift the thing. You see this assembly here? Push down. Boop. Pops. Repeat on the other side. Push down. Remove. Okay, it's pretty gross. Maybe you cannot tell, it's pretty gross, so I'm gonna go clean it and I'll be back. Now that we have a clean visor and we have our Pinlock, the membrane, we see how it goes. Okay, so the bendy part goes in the bendy part. Now we know that one Pinlock is here and the other one is here. We have to stretch the visor a little bit to help it fit. There is one notch there. It's already in. Now we open it a little bit. This was a lot harder than I thought it was gonna be, so maybe it didn't got recorded. So what I did was I first got the left side on. You see that I peeled it a little bit, but that was after I put it. Okay, and then I opened the visor and finagled it on the other side, and now it's on. Okay, that's how it's gonna look. I haven't peeled it yet. According to the instructions, you have to peel it now. Now it goes to peeling time. Oh yeah. Now that we have the Pinlock installed in our helmet, we have to, of course, put the visor back. Like, duh, Captain Obvious, right? To install it again, make sure you pull the assembly back. See, it's gonna click. We repeat the same procedure in the other one. Clicks again. And now we have a helmet that doesn't
Magic!
I'm gonna tell you with the helmet on how does this work.
This is the silicone seal that it's making. It's sealing all around the visor. And what that does
Is creating an air barrier so that the outside is not gonna be super cold, which would make condensate your water vapor from your breathing into the visor. The part that is closer to you, which would be where it would be condensating, is now hot enough so that it would not condensate. And because there is this silicone barrier in the middle, which is basically the Pinlock. And between the Pinlock and the inside part of the visor itself, there is an air gap, which I wonder if would, like, I don't know, help with keeping your face warm. I don't know. But what you should know is that my helmet has one of these straps which help with the wind, but it also makes the condensation inside the helmet a lot worse. Let me know in the comments if I did something wrong, because I mean, come on, this is YouTube and we're talking about motorcycles. So this is all about telling the guy that is making the video how many things he did wrong, right? Well, see you in the next one.